1 cinematic geography prompt. Ultra-detailed cinematic aerial view of Lake Turkana in northern Kenya, East Africa. Vast turquoise alkaline lake surrounded by desert landscapes. Dramatic lighting, 4K documentary style. National Geographic look. 2 map plus education prompt. Clean educational map of East Africa, highlighting northern Kenya and Lake Turkana. Labeled countries, soft earth tones. Modern infographic style. YouTube educational visual. 3 drone desert prompt. High-altitude drone shot of Lake Turkana, the world's largest desert lake. Arid terrain, cracked earth, glowing jade-colored water. Cinematic realism, wide angle, 4K. 4 ancient history prompt. Ancient human history scene near Lake Turkana, northern Kenya. Early hominins walking near the lake shore. Prehistoric atmosphere, warm sunlight. Natural colors, 4K realism. 6 YouTube shorts. Hook prompt. Fast-paced cinematic zoom into Lake Turkana, East Africa. Bold text overlay, largest desert lake on Earth. High contrast, dramatic lighting. Viral YouTube short style. 7 minimalist thumbnail prompt. Minimalist YouTube thumbnail showing Lake Turkana in northern Kenya. Bold yellow title text, Africa's Mystery Lake. Clean composition, high clarity, eye-catching. 8 satellite view prompt. Realistic satellite view of Lake Turkana, northern Kenya, East Africa. Visible borders, desert surroundings, scientific visualization style. Ultra-sharp detail. 9. Cultural context prompt. Cultural life near Lake Turkana. Indigenous communities. Traditional attire, lake in background. Warm African sunset. Documentary photography style. Epic world facts prompt. Epic cinematic world geography visual of Lake Turkana. Glowing jade waters cutting through East African desert. Dramatic clouds. Powerful educational storytelling mood. 4K.